Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with day 15 of 25 days of Christmas with Sabrina. And I'll have to say, I don't know what this is. No idea. No idea. Shall we see? Alright, let's open it. She sent me more tea lights. I love the tea lights. Especially the ones that have the different colors. That's just so cool. Thank you so much, Sabrina. She's sending me stuff that I've asked for that she hasn't told me. This is not funny, Sabrina. Color changing ones. These are so cool. Awesome. So that is day 15, guys. 15 days into the Christmas season. Yay! Can you believe that? So thank you so much, Sabrina. Love the color changing lights. This one I had no idea what the heck they were. So that was kind of cool. You threw me. Alrighty, everybody. Thanks for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And Merry Christmas and bye for now. Thank you, Sabrina. I always love these. Bye.